Greetings, whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Today is just a real quick video on how I put together small mountains, hills, for a really tight area, and also built a berm to defy gravity. That is to say, to those cars that wanted to take that leap of faith, well, they won't reach the ground, I hope. Anyhow, first step was get a piece of paper and trace the area where you want that hill. Okay. Second step is, so here I have it carefully tacked. I should mention I tacked the paper down to the foam using push pins, which I always have a ready supply of when I'm working. Now I'm just going to cut out along those lines with the paper that's been tacked to the foam. You have to start about a half an inch back or so, maybe further, from your line, because you're going to be cutting at an angle and you don't want to be right up against the edge of the roadbed. Or maybe you do, but anyhow, you want a nice little berm there, right along the line. And check and then double check, because I promise you, Murphy was an optimist. Looks like I'm going to have to trim this a little bit along here. So to hold everything together, I am using bamboo skewers, and that keeps all my foam in place. Okay, so to finish it up, everything is painted and held down in place with skewers. And well, I shouldn't say everything. I will continue this, I don't know, approximately an inch deep cut under there to an extent, but not here. This will become an industrial zone. What it's doing underneath, well, why they built the Shinkansen line over the industrial zone, I guess because it fit. And I will continue my anti-gravity berm right along this whole length, because you and I both know that given a chance, those cars will take a dive. It's a gravity thing. Anyway, thank you for listening. I wish you the best whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Enjoy your day.